Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get verified on X, formerly known as Twitter. First, ensure your account meets the platform's eligibility requirements. This typically includes having an active profile with a clear profile picture and a complete bio. You also need to have a verified phone number or email address associated with your account. These initial steps are crucial before you even consider applying for verification. To be eligible, your account must be active and in good standing, meaning no recent violations of the platform's rules. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, head to your account settings. Look for the premium or verification section, depending on current platform updates. Follow the prompts to submit your application, which may require providing a government-issued ID for identity confirmation. Be patient, as the review process can take some time. Once verified, it's important to maintain your status by consistently adhering to X's platform rules. Any violations, such as engaging in spam, harassment, or impersonation, could lead to the revocation of your verification badge. The platform regularly reviews accounts, so staying compliant is key. Remember, verification signifies authenticity and importance, so uphold those standards in your online interactions. Being verified on X offers several advantages, including enhanced credibility and increased visibility for your content. You might also gain access to exclusive features and potentially faster customer support. It helps distinguish your authentic presence from others. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These benefits make the verification process worthwhile for many users seeking to establish a strong online presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.